A day with simple English greetings. Hello. My name is Emma. Today, I want to tell you about my day. I will use simple English, so you can learn with me. These are sentences we use every day. Let's begin. Good morning. Every day, I wake up at 7 a.m. The sun is shining, and I feel happy. I get out of bed and wash my face. Then, I go to the kitchen. My mom is there, making breakfast. I say, "Good morning, Mom." She smiles and says, "Good morning, Emma. Did you sleep well?" I say, "Yes, I slept very well. Thank you. How about you?" She replies, "I slept well, too." My dad comes into the kitchen. I say, "Good morning, Dad." He says, "Good morning, Emma." We say good morning to greet people in the morning. You can say it to your family, friends, or anyone you meet before noon. How are you? After breakfast, I get ready for school. At the bus stop, I see my friend Lisa. She smiles at me and says, "Hi, Emma. How are you?" I say, "I am fine, thank you. How about you?" Lisa says, "I am fine, too. The weather is nice today." We use "how are you" to ask about someone's feelings or mood. It is a friendly way to start a conversation. How have you been? At school, I see my classmate Tom. He was not at school yesterday, so I ask, "Hi, Tom. How have you been?" Tom says, "I have been good. I stayed home yesterday because I was tired. Thank you for asking." I say, "You're welcome, Tom." We use "how have you been" when we have not seen someone for a while. It shows we care about them. Good afternoon. At lunchtime, I see my teacher, Mr. Brown, in the school cafeteria. It is 1 p.m., so I say, "Good afternoon, Mr. Brown." He says, "Good afternoon, Emma. Are you enjoying your lunch?" I say, "Yes, Mr. Brown. The food is good today." We use good afternoon after 12 p.m. and before 6 p.m. It is polite to use this phrase during the day. How is it going? In the afternoon, I go to the library. My friend Sarah is sitting there. She is reading a book. I ask, "Hi, Sarah. How is it going?" She says, "It's going well. I am studying for my test. How about you?" I say, "It's going well for me, too. I am working on my homework." We use "how is it going" to ask about someone's work, study, or day. It is a casual and friendly question. Good evening. At 7 p.m., I am home. My dad comes home from work. I hear him open the door, so I go to him and say, "Good evening, Dad." He says, "Good evening, Emma. How was your day?" I say, "It was good, Dad. How about your day?" He replies, "My day was busy, but it was fine." We use good evening after 6 p.m. It is a polite way to greet people at night. Have a nice day. The next morning, my brother is leaving for school early. He picks up his bag and says, "Have a nice day, Emma." I smile and say, "Thank you. Same to you." Same to you is a polite way to reply when someone says have a nice day. It means you are wishing them the same thing. We use have a nice day to wish someone a good and happy day. Sleep well. At night, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on my pajamas. I feel sleepy. My mom comes into my room. She says, "Good night, Emma. Sleep well." I say, "Good night, Mom. Sleep well, too." We say sleep well to wish someone a good sleep. It is a kind and caring phrase. I am fine. All day, people ask me, "How are you?" or "How is it going?" My answer is simple, I am fine. This phrase means I feel good. I am not sad or angry. It is easy to use when people ask about your feelings. Same to you. At school, my teacher says, "Have a great weekend, everyone." I say, "Thank you, same to you, teacher." Here, I am wishing my teacher a great weekend, just like she wished us. I hope you learned some simple phrases today. Remember to practice them every day with your family, friends, or anyone you meet. They will help you speak English in a friendly and polite way.